More that way?
Straight.
More that way. Alright, straight. Yep, you're good. Damn! That's okay. There you go. Was that frame?
Hell yeah.
Yes, I think it
That's okay. We got this guy. When the homies hit you up for just do window cleaning, right, Caleb? Just window cleaning.
I bet she is dirty. Hey, yo.
Damn. I don't want to do nothing.
Damn.
It's old, man.
You said what?
So you're getting caught in 4K right
You might as well get
Hold up, Sal. Hold up, Sal. Hold up, Sal.
You're out?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Man, that's a nice paint you got. Did you get me shouting out Miguel?
Yeah, I got. No, I didn't say the Miguelito one. I just said shout out Miguel.
Shout out Miguel with Planet Performance. Yeah. Planet Performance is your one-stop shop when it comes to oil changes and turbo builds.
Bro, we about to get blocked. Watch out.
Well, we ain't gonna be blocked.
For being too cringe. Oh.
Hey, now.
Canceled.
For real, bro. I hope we don't get canceled, though. You better start you private all your Twitter, bro, because
Oh, I don't got Twitter.
we're just recording a day in the life of SS Details. So when,
You gonna do the voiceover for him?
yeah, we should do a voiceover. Like, the thing that sucks is we don't got. This is probably not gonna be a good mic, right, Sal?
It's decent. It's a little better than the iPhone, but I do need to get another mic. But you know, for now it's alright. It's not horrible.
Shout out Miguel. Woo.
Creepy, bro.
Dude, we're gonna be famous, dude.
Yeah, bro. Just wait till this hits 1,000 views, man. Not even 100. I mean, my first video hit like 130.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
You just gonna make TikToks too or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna start making like TikTok videos out of the YouTube videos I make. You know.
You making reels?
Like little clips type shit.
Yeah.
Oh, can't swear. Can't
That's
swear.
okay. When you upload the videos, it says, "Is this like kid friendly?" I always say no. I don't know if that messes with the algorithm or something.
It just doesn't get promoted. Like, it doesn't get like on your For You page and stuff.
That's okay. I mean, I'm not trying to make money. I'm just doing the videos for you guys.
For us?
Yeah.
Aww.
He's just doing for the spank bank.
Thanks, Sal.
Yeah, those white walls are shining now, man.
It's a daily. It's not a collector's item.
We ride our cars, man. We go miles on ours.
Ain't that right, Caleb?
He was like, hey man, $20 detail. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Aren't you Kanye?
L Mans.
Oh man's man. Dude, I honestly don't even have to dry this thing, dude, because
Just the windows.
it's okay. I'll dry it off anyway.
Because that's what friends do. Ain't that right, Salvador? I called you by your government name, too.
Damn. Now we'll move her in to the detail side. Hit the windows, because that's all he came for. The fucking windows. He's like, hey man, how much to just do the windows? Yo, what the fuck? I'll do them anyway, but. Alright, who's moving her?
Caleb, do the honors.
Well, let him finish the picture. Almost done. Oh, fuck.
You can see my thumb. Fucked up the shot.
Fucking bugs.
Be driving.
Ah, we good.
Already told you it's not a collector's item, bro. It's a daily driven.
Hey,
He did what?
He pissed on my wheel.
Sad.
hey, let's go. Let's go to your place. Come on.
Alright, windows good, tire shine now.
Happy ending, maybe? I said happy ending, maybe?
On video too.
POV God.
Alright, that's gonna be hard. You can't do it right now.
Oh god, it's gonna have to be like.
No, I'm saying the tire shine. Yeah. They gotta go
Yeah,
back.
and I gotta clean the wheels up a little bit.
Yeah, try to go back up.
You gotta repaint these too, man.
They're old school, man.
Alright, let's air up cool.
Don't side eye me, bro. Epic fail.
Battery's dead.
Now that's content.
Yeah, battery's dead.
Battery?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I said.
Content, baby, content.
Yo.
Oh yeah, look at that big arm right there.
Hey, don't need to see that. We don't detail engine base. We don't detail engine base.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, just silencer.
I mean, I can just hold it if you want to, you know.
You know-
I'll let you do the honors. It's
Yeah, no, let it go.
How convenient, look. We're next to a mechanic.
Yeah. Well, guys,
It says 12.4 volts. That loud ass click was scary, dude.
well, yeah, that's because I tried to start it while it was still, like the flywheel was still spinning.
Oh.
Trying to sound all professional.
Yeah.
Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. And,
Oh, it's dead. Well, the fans are
fans
running.
are on, yeah.
And well, maybe it's just airing up a lot, up and down a lot.
Yeah. It's been sitting, like I said, it's been sitting in the driveway outside for like a month.
That's okay.
It's like a jump box too. Or
Yeah. I mean, because it basically.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, good. They about to comment that on the videos. Hey, yo, you guys forgot to put on. Turn it on. Turning it on now.
I mean, because the fans turn on.
Well, yeah, this has no power to turn that stuff on. But not enough power to crank over. Is it a jump box too?
Yeah, it's a jump box. All right, more of the truth.
Moment of truth here.
Just let her, yeah. This is the third time, huh? Battery? No, like today, like right now.
Second time.
Second time. Didn't want to start. All right, back her up, maybe just a little bit. You're good. That's good. Just for that one small spot that needs tire shine. Okay, Caleb's truck is done. Looking good.
Oh yeah. Looking good.
Time to just get some pictures of it and call it a day. Alright, cuh. How did it feel to be
Put me on the spot there. Nah, but yeah, it felt good.
yeah?
We're looking for more content coming soon.
Yeah.
Nah, just
And
kidding.
we got Caleb taking pictures of his truck, ready to go. We got Miguel. Hey, this is like the shit with the quinceañeras. You know, you just come up to you when you're eating.
I'm just studying.
Right? How does it feel?
He's educating his mind.
What?
It's like when you're eating, you know,
You gotta stop.
they'll just come up to you and you're just trying to.
You gotta stop it. Right?
And you're like,
You gotta stop it.
Anyway, that's it, boys. All right,
That's a wrap.
that's a wrap. Caleb Shook is ready to go. Picture will be up soon. Have a good one. Stay tuned.